Surah, number 101, of Quran Majid. The Catastrophe.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
القارعة.
The Catastrophe.
ما القارعة.
What is the catastrophe?
وما أدراك ما القارعة.
What will show you what is the catastrophe?
يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث.
It is the day when mankind will be like scattered moths.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش.
And the mountains like carded wool.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
As for him, whose deeds weigh heavy in the scales,
فهو في عيشة راضية.
he will have a pleasing life.
وأما من خفت موازينه.
But as for him, whose deeds weigh light in the scales,
فأمه هاوية.
his home will be the abyss.
وما أدراك ما هي.
And what will show you what it is?
نار حامية.
It is a scorching fire.